Roblox crashing got you down. Let's fix that. First, let's check the basics. Is your internet running smoothly? A bad connection is the #1 culprit. Try visiting another website or watching a video to make sure you have a stable internet connection. If it's spotty, try restarting your router and ensuring your device is connected to the strongest possible signal. Next, let's look at your device's performance. Roblox can be demanding, so if you're running many programs or have high CPU or memory usage, that can lead to freezing and crashing. Close down any unnecessary applications. You can find these programs by opening your device's task manager. This frees up resources for Roblox. Ensuring Roblox is up to date is another helpful tip. Older versions are susceptible to bugs, which cause performance issues. Go to the Roblox website and check if there is an update pending. Make sure to update to the latest version for the best game experience. If you keep experiencing issues after trying the previous tips, consider lowering your graphics settings in-game. Open the settings and lower the graphics quality, or set graphics mode to manual. This can significantly reduce the strain on your device. Finally, clear your Roblox cache. These temporary files can sometimes become corrupted, leading to crash. While Roblox doesn't have a built-in button, you can generally find the Roblox folder and delete the cache files, or reinstall the game. Be sure to back up your data before doing so. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to a lag-free and crash-free Roblox experience. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Happy gaming!